Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, October 30th, and this is my analysis for the euro yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the yen pairs are posting up very strong today, and I've been warning about this all week long. If you've been following along with my videos, I was been warning that this move down is likely just a pullback to this move up. I think the next area of resistance is going to be the 123% Fibonacci retracement above the 180 area. So definitely recommending longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. Definitely not the most beautiful pullback. Like I was saying yesterday, it looked like it potentially sort of gone down a little bit more, but what ended up happening is it's kind of like a little running ABC right there. So it was in hindsight a very clear entry. The only problem with the entry for me is that it happened in the middle of the night during the Asian session. But besides that, what a very nice entry to go long. I definitely would still be recommending longs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long now. I would have to patiently wait for a pullback again, maybe another 1, 2, 3 pullback like this, or maybe another 1, 2, 3 way pullback like this in order to go long again for the continuation of the uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.